How to set up Directv stream on Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to set up Directv stream on your smart television. First, make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. Then, on your smart television, on the App Store. This could be Google Play Store on Android TV or the App Store on Samsung and LG TVs. Search for DirecTV Stream and download the app. Once it installs, open it up. Now, grab your phone or computer and sign in to your DirecTV Stream account if you haven't already. Use the same login details on your TV app. Some TVs may give you an activation code. If so, go to directv.com/streamtv on your browser, enter the code, and confirm. After you're signed in, your DirecTV stream channels and on-demand content will appear on your smart TV.